Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the GreenMoon token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone as well that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I really recommend you subscribe to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, let's get started with this tutorial here. So first things first, we just want to head over to our Trust Wallets and open that up. Once we're in our Trust Wallets here, I'm just going to let everyone know I'm not going to be showing you guys how to transfer or purchase BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do that, I will have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. But all you guys have to do at this point is just make sure you have BNB inside of your smart chain wallet so it will show up on PancakeSwap. Now, if you have your BNB just in your BNB wallet right here, all you have to do is click on the wallet, then click on swap, and then you'll see an option right here to swap to smart chain. You're going to want to swap the amount that you want to swap into the GreenMoon token over to smart chain, so then it will show up on PancakeSwap. So that's very important, or else you'll have no balance. So once we have that there, all we have to do now is get the contract address for the token. So I'll have a link in the description for CoinMarketCap as well. So you guys can just head over to the link I have, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you're on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go down where you see the contracts, and you'll see two little squares beside the MetaMask logo. You're just going to want to click on those two little squares. Once you've clicked on that, we can head out of here and go back into our Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet, we want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. And then all you have to do is click on the top search bar here and paste the address in. You will then see Add Custom Token here, so we can go ahead and click on Add Custom Token. And all we have to do is switch the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain and then just paste the contract address in. Everything else that you need will automatically load in for you. So once that does happen for you, you can click on Save in the top right corner. And then once you have this token inside of your Trust Wallet, we can now go ahead and swap the BNB for the GreenMoon token. So all you have to do now is go over to PancakeSwap. I'll have a link in the description for that as well. Or of course, you guys can just go ahead and Google PancakeSwap, and then I'll show you guys what to do. And once you're on PancakeSwap here, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. And then here it's going to ask us to connect a wallet. We're going to click on Wallet Connect. And then it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. Now you guys can use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Rainbow Wallet. It does not matter at all. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we can go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then it's going to open up this connection option here. So we're going to click on Connect so we can connect our Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap so we can swap the tokens. And we can head back over to PancakeSwap. Once we're back on PancakeSwap here, all we have to do is click on Select a Currency at the bottom here, and then paste that contract address inside of here as well. Once we do that, we'll see the GreenMoon token pop up. So we can just click on Import, I understand, and Import. Now, once we have these things in here, you just want to make sure you see your balance right above BNB, and then you should be good to go. So now all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So if we just go to this little settings gear beside Exchange and click on that, you'll see an option to change your slippage tolerance down at the bottom here. Now for this token, I'd probably recommend about 7%, but it will change depending on the liquidity and when you watch this video. But as of right now, around 7% should work, but you could try less, you could try more if you would like to, if that is not working. Anyhow, let's just change this here for the example. And then once we do that, we can exit out of here. And now all we have to do is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say I wanted to do 1 BNB. I can type that in, and then it will show me the amount of the GreenMoon token I will get in exchange for the 1 BNB. Now, if you're happy with that exchange here, all you have to do is click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. For you, it should just be telling you to swap. Once you click on swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. Now, if you're comfortable with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then you should get a successful transaction notice if everything worked out. Once you receive that notice, you can exit out of here and go back to your Trust Wallet, and the tokens will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, show you how to buy the GreenMoon token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.